Welcome. This is a quick 10-minute full body stretch. As always, feel free to modify or skip any poses that don't feel right today. Let's begin seated, giving ourselves a big hug here, big squeeze, and just start to massage the arms, the hands, the shoulders, the neck. Giving ourselves some love for showing up to the mat today. It is the hardest part. You should be proud of yourself. Great, we'll interlace our fingers, flip our palms, and just reach the palms forward. Staying here a moment. And whenever you're ready, lift the palms up towards the sky. Now you can bend the elbows. If this is too intense, it will be for many. This is a very intense pose to lift the arms up overhead. And then whenever you're ready, we'll gently release, shake it out. Interlacing your fingers behind your back, drawing the fists towards the mat. Opening the chest, gently take your gaze up, breathing into the chest. Nice deep inhale. You can stay here if this is enough. You can even place books underneath the fists for a little more support. Or you can take a gentle stretch, drawing the fist towards the left hip, taking your gaze over the right shoulder. Release, switching sides if you are in your twist. Perfect. We'll gently release, shake it out, maybe finding a gentle rocking motion. Whenever you're ready, we'll come into a tabletop pose, wrists under shoulders, knees under hips. Feel free to modify here, reaching the hands a little further, knees a little further back, whatever feels best for you. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Continue singing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. Option here to even find some organic movement, so just moving wherever the body takes you, the dance of life. We'll start to find a neutral spine. Inhale, right hand reaches up. Exhale, threading it underneath the left, resting on the right cheek. Left hand beside the forehead, or reach it up towards the top corner of the mat. Slow inhales, slow exhales. Whenever you're ready, you can gently release. And switching sides. Great, gently release, shake it out, take a moment. Whenever you're ready, we'll send the hips towards the heels, forehead, or cheek to the mat. Just taking a moment here to check in with the body. Option to modify, placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso, almost like you are straddling it, resting your cheek over the bolster or pillow. Very restorative. Working with the breath here, utilizing your inhales to create space. Exhaling to completely let go, surrendering even if it's just for a moment. Slowly come all the way up. Take your time. Inhale, lift the hips, reach the hands up overhead. Exhale, sit the hips low, hands to heart center. We'll do that a few more times, moving with the breath. On your next inhale, hands reach up. Exhale, sit the hips low, hands to heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, please give it a like down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are not already. Also, please do turn on the bell notification icon. Set it to all so you don't miss any classes like this one. Otherwise, you might not be notified.